Welcome to Module 4. In Module 3, you build the full stack. Webhook, brain, knowledge base, monitoring. It works. But there's a problem. The agent speaks one language. In Africa, that's not enough. Today, Lesson 4.1, the multilingual reality of African business. And the 5 pillars that turn a single language agent into one that sounds native in every market you serve. Let's go. Welcome to Lesson 4.1, the foundation of Module 4, the multilingual reality of African business, and the 5 pillars of a native-sounding AI agent. By the end of this lesson, you know why single language agents fail in Africa, and what we'll build over the next 3 lessons. The numbers. 5 languages dominate African business at scale. French, 280 million speakers across West, Central, and North Africa. English, 230 million in East, West, and Southern Africa. Swahili, 200 million in East Africa, growing fast. Arabic, over 100 million across North Africa and beyond. Kirundi or Kinyarwanda, 25 million in the Great Lakes region. If your agent only speaks one of these, you're locked out of the others. Why single language agents fail in Africa. Example 1. A Burundian customer texts in Kirundi. Your French-only agent replies in French. Customer abandons. Example 2. A Senegalese trader texts French mixed with Wolof. Your English-only agent guesses wrong, gives a generic answer. Trust gone. Example 3. A Cairo retailer texts Arabic. Your agent runs it through Google Translate. The reply sounds robotic, foreign, untrustworthy. Multilingual is not optional. It's the price of entry. Pillar 1. Detect. Before the agent speaks, it must know which language the customer is using. 3 tactics. 1. Detect from the first message. fastText or a Claude classifier, fast and cheap. 2. Respect the customer's profile language if you have it. 3. Handle code switching. There's many African customers mix 2 languages in one sentence. The detector must pick the dominant one and route correctly. Pillar 2. Greet. The first reply sets the tone. A native greeting is more than translation. It's cultural. In Kirundi, you greet differently in the morning versus the afternoon. In Swahili, the greeting opens a small conversation before the actual question. In Arabic, formality level matters. A single hard-coded hello kills the warmth. Native greetings, per language, time-aware. That's how the customer relaxes into the conversation. Pillar 3. Reply. The language-specific system prompt. 1 system prompt per language. Not 1 prompt translated by Claude on the fly. Each system prompt encodes the local business norms, the local way to express prices, the local way to handle a complaint. Claude Sonnet 4.6 handles French and Swahili natively. For Kirundi and Wolof, you may need to provide more in-context examples. The system prompt is the agent's voice in that language. Pillar 4. Knowledge. Your knowledge base must speak every language too. Do not auto-translate your French FAQ into Swahili and call it done. Auto-translation loses nuance, prices in the wrong format, cultural references that don't transfer. The right move. Create 1 knowledge base shard per language, written or reviewed by a native speaker. VectorDB indexes them separately. At query time, retrieve from the matching language shard. Native answers from native data. Pillar 5. Tone. Native idiom, not literal translation. In French Africa, on se voit is warmer than adviento. In Swahili, karibu sana welcomes more than welcome. In Kirundi, addressing elders requires honorifics. Your system prompt must teach Claude these idioms. Test with native speakers, not just bilingual ones. Tone is what separates a translation app from a real assistant. What Module 4 will build. 3 more lessons after this one. Lesson 4.2. The language detector at the gate with Claude classifier code and fastText fallback. Lesson 4.3. Language-specific system prompts plus the multilingual knowledge base in your vector DB. Lesson 4.4. The optional voice layer. Native voice for each language using 11 Labs voice cloning. By the end of Module 4, your agent sounds native in every market your business serves. Recap. 5 languages dominate African business. French, English, Swahili, Arabic, Kirundi. Single language agents fail at the door. 5 pillars make an agent native. Detect, greet, reply, knowledge, tone. Each pillar is concrete, testable, shippable. Lesson 4.2. Detector Taro that routes every incoming message to the right pipeline. See you there. That's lesson 4.1, the foundation of module 4. You now understand why single language agents lose in Africa and what the 5 pillars are. Next lesson, we get hands-on with the language detector, the gate that decides which pipeline runs before you go. Like the video, comment which languages your business needs, share with the partner who will help you build this. See you in lesson 4.2.